get that kind of performance with a normal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it here. We're gonna just step it out of the way. Hey guys, how's she going today? I feel like I'm in the UK or out on the coast or something here. Fuck. Raining and snowing, just disgusting. Anyway, you just finished doing chores for the girls there. Put some bales in. Used the 40-20, because the 46 is hooked on the grain vac yet. I didn't feel like hooking and unhooking to re-hook up again, because I'm going to need the vac here in a couple days, because I got 2 loads of wheat I've got left to haul, 2 bin bottoms, so I'm going to need the vac. Piss on it, we'll use the 40-20. So anyway, dump the twine in the dumpster here. Back into the shop. I've been working on my 4440. A couple things to do to it, and there's some parts that haven't shown up yet, but that, some work on the other 4440. I've got hoses and shit for it. I'm waiting on some oddball hydraulic fittings and junk for it, but whatever. That's neither here nor there, so I guess we'll park 40-20 and be on our way. Some of you guys are asking about that 40-20. That is my great uncle's tractor. He just bought, and wanting us to fix her up for him there, paint and some other odds and ends on it and lights. So it's a what it is, 69, I believe. So pretty nice tractor though, anyways, for what he paid for it. And bring her in and fix her up, but that'll be in a while, because there's too much other stuff to do, basically. Anyway, so I guess we'll head her to the shop and talk to you in a few minutes. Alright, so blower motor finally showed up for the brown 3-ton, and I ordered this at harvest time, a new diff for the quad, so we'll have to do that one of these days. And now we're working on hoses. Sophia's working on her alphabet, right? Doing stuff. Oh, I see. So this thread's on like so. And then this thing, oh, it flipped around. Jesus Christ. How do you flip? And this goes in there. Get it? Got it? Good. So, we gotta put, I forget what these fitted ones are called, but the ones with the O-rings go in there, and then that goes to JIC. Like that. Then we've got 1/2-inch pipe thread, and we're using 3/8 hose because it's only 3/8 hose on the loader, so cheaper and easier to bend around where we need it to go that way. So anywho, that'll stay there. Nope. I guess we'll get that plumbed together and show you when she's done. Is it January or is it March here? Like, what the fuck's going on? Oh well, moisture's moisture. What's the old wives' tales? If it rains in winter, it's gonna snow in July or what? She's gonna be fucking icy now. Real nice. Oh well. Wow, is it icy now? Woo-wee! So, I just got a SOS Mayday call from Rob. He was on his way over and the old Ford left him on the side of the road. So I guess we're off to go rescue him. Poor Rob. He's a little ways away from here, but whatever. We'll show you what happened when we get there, but she's sitting a little bit sideways now. Anyway, I guess. Talk to you in a few. Oh yeah, real good. Dang a tread. Bet that woke him up. Jeepers. I think I'm gonna have to push him. Come on, Rob, let's get her going. Poor old $100 truck. We're going though. Slow but surely. We're almost to where we need to be. Nice sunset at least. Nothing to it. Oh shit. At least you don't have much weight sitting on it. He's only got like 3 wheel studs on there that are only half holding on and we're bent at one point, so. Wow! Do a brake burn, Ricky! Nice! Should put that up for zip ties and bias plies. It's a good thing it just rained and it's icy. Oh, fuck. This guy and his project trucks. Well, I'm gonna follow him and make sure he makes it where he's going, I guess. Oh, it died. Oh, it's going again. Oh, it died. Oh, it's going again. It's dead. Oh, she's going again. Oh, it's dead again. Oh, it's going again. Fuck, she's just rolling coal. There, now she's running better. It died on him again. The fuel pump is dying apparently now also. And just filled the bowls with gas, so I think it burned all of it already there with the cloud of smoke it just had. Oh, we're almost there, so she's gonna make it. She's gonna do her. Come on, Ford, if you crest the hill, you can coast to the yard. It's just over there. If I had a push bar, I'd give him a shove, but... There she goes again. Oh, brother. We'll talk again here in a couple minutes. Nope. It didn't make it. Jeepers. Whatever. The 11's got it. It's used to pulling those blue circled vehicles behind it, so... I know that's gonna piss some of you guys off, but it's funny. I like ribbing guys about trucks. They all work and they all shit all at the same time, so... Look at mine, I got Christmas tree going on here. I got a fucked up wheel sensor. I got a fucked up sensor for the 4-wheel drive, but it's been like that since I bought it because I never liked the traction control kicking in all the time. This way here, you don't need to shut it off that way if you're trying to spin on ice or whatever. It just kind of does it on its own that way, so. Shit. Anyways, I guess I'll talk to you in a few. Yeah, well, I think I know what I'm gonna title this video. Mother Nature's off her fucking meds. Look at all my shingles everywhere. I bet they're all gone from the north side of the house. Holy fuck, the wind last night. It's still windy, but not like it was. Not here, but out where Amanda's dad lives, out by, well, Kindersley. They had gusts of 150 kilometers an hour out there, apparently. That's like 90 or 95 miles an hour. Look at shingles all over the place. That's nice. We're supposed to bring a calf to the auction mart today, and we're not going to because I don't think there's going to be too many animals there. All the roads everywhere closed. And so that rain yesterday, it all froze and ice, and then the wind and a little bit of snow. It's not good. Made a nice finish on the skating rink though. But I'm going to plug in a truck here for Antonio. He's got to haul his bit of heated canola here this morning. And I was supposed to go up to Mooseman and pick up parts, but oh my god, look at the ice on. Look at the ice on here. I was supposed to go up to Mooseman and pick up parts, but that highway is closed. We'll see here after dinner, maybe once the salt trucks have gotten out, it might be opened up again, but yeah, it's crazy. So, we'll plug that truck in and we'll maybe take a dip over by the cows and make sure none of them blew away. I don't think any bins blew away. That wind last night, oh my god, like... I hate wind like that because you're always just expecting a disaster, something to go flying away, but big auger we park like that, it gets sheltered that way a little bit where it is, but when they're down like that, they're pretty hard to tip over. It's when they're standing up they really go for a flight, but let's go see what we can see over here. I think all the girls are just standing around eating. It's not really cold out, just windy, but yeah, they're snowy, but not much a guy can do about that until the wind dies down. I'm not going to be able to give them any bedding, so it'll all blow away. I might go open up that little shed. We were keeping it shut because they were all trying to fucking pile in there, but oh yeah, that panel is moving over there, eh? Let's go see if it's breaking or just pushing the bale. It's the one shit thing with those freestanding panels, they don't hold up to the wind at all when you're in the wide openness like this. Giving you a good tour here of everything anyways. much snow's back here, we're gonna get stuck. Here's the gravel mountains you guys are always asking about. There's hardly any left compared to what there used to be. I just skidded the bale over, actually. Got her teeter in there. I'm gonna have to anchor it to the shed. We never got that done, of course, this year, but knocked one board off. Flipped the chop trough over. Goodness gracious, eh? Whatever. I'm not giving them chop till the wind dies down anyways, because it'll fucking blow it all away. Anyway, we'll plug that truck in, I guess, and that'll probably be a video because I don't really have anything else to do since I can't go get parts. Well, it looks like the kid's old plastic chair met its demise. Fucking wind, man. Leave that in the middle of the yard. Holy Christ. Wow. That is shitty. Anyways, I guess, guys, like I said, I don't really have anything else to show here, I guess, till things calm down a bit, so probably where I'm gonna leave you. So I guess make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to all yous in the next one. You got your kite? You could probably just put it in neutral and let it push you here today.